Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, I'll be showing to you on how you can fix or solve the problem automatic repair couldn't repair your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will begin with going to the automatic startup repair window. So I'll be showing to you on how you can do it. First, go to your keyboard and press and hold the shift key all together, and then please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then hover your cursor into the shutdown or sign out option, then click on this restart button. Once you do that, you will get now the automatic startup repair window. And once you're in there, so I'll be only saying to you on what you can click because I can show it to you for my uh screen recorder application will automatically turn off and get paused whenever I do make a quick restart. So I'll just be saying to you on how you can do it, and then whenever we have to type for commands, I'll be showing it to you in the command prompt window. So for that, let us proceed with going to the troubleshoot. So once you're in the startup repair window, please proceed with the troubleshoot option there. Click on startup repair, and if you have put or added administrator password, then enter the password and then click on the continue button there, and then it will start diagnosing your PC and it will try to fix the problem for you. If it doesn't find the fixes, or if it don't find the fixes, then you'll find the startup repair window. Please click on the startup repair window there, click advanced options, and go again with troubleshoot. Click on advanced options, and we will now proceed with the command prompt. So let me just open the command prompt window for you so that you can follow what commands to put in the command prompt. So here I'll just be opening my command prompt. This time we will be typing here some commands. So if you know that your main drive is your C drive, then you can type here C colon. But if C drive is not your main drive, then you can type here the letter of the main drive that you have and then add just colon there and then click on enter. Once you have typed it, the next command it's dir and then click on enter again. Next thing is cd space backslash windows backslash system 32 backslash config. Again, it's cd space backslash windows backslash system 32 backslash config. Now once done typing this one, just proceed on clicking enter in your keyboard, and then we will move on with the next command, which is capital letters MD space backup, and then please click on enter. And then once you have done that, then we will proceed now with copy. So please type copy space star dot star space dot dot. Now once done typing it, just please click on enter again, and then the next thing you need to do is to type exit to exit the command prompt window, and then please click on continue, and then you have now fixed the problem. Just make a quick restart with your device again and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.